Hi everyone, welcome back once again. My name is Daulat Hussain. In this video, I will show you that how you can use paraphrasing tool of small SEO tool. In the last video, I show you that how you can use spelling checker tool of small SEO tool for checking the spelling mistake which you are making in your content. In this video, I will show you that how you can use paraphrasing tool of small SEO. So to use this tool, all we have to do is simply click on this tool and you will come to this page, and for that you will come here, and here you will find the same options. You can use any one of these options to bring your content. So as I will go to my copy from my website, come back, and I will paste it again, and then I will click on this rephrase article. Now it will take a little bit time and give you the complete data about this. So as you can see, we have got the data. If you want to tweak this, just simply click on this, and from here you can make the changes in the article. So generally we use this kind of tools when we copying the content from any platform, any website, and we want to use the same content on our website, but we want to make sure that we don't want to get plagiarism on the article. So this is the reason why we use all these tools to make the changes in the articles which creating this plagiarism situation. So here, from here, you will find some suggestions. Just click on that. This is the original keyword was there in the original version, and here is the some suggestive keywords is given. You can select any one of these, most efficient, most vitals, and you can use in that way. If you want to type your own, you can simply type it from here. So this is how you can use it. Once you're done with the entire setting, here are a few options. You can share it, you can take a printout, you can download it, you can copy it, you can check the plagiarism, because this is one of the most important thing whenever we use these paraphrasing tools, rewriting tools. So these are the tools we have to use. Along with that, we have to check the plagiarism of the content, whatever tweaks we are doing in the content. So this is how you can use this paraphrasing tool of small SEO. I hope you have liked this video. This tutorial is very small, where I want to show you that how you can use this paraphrasing tool to make the necessary changes in the article.